If you also want to speak English fluently but you can't, this. At the end of this video, you will have many ideas about speaking fluently. Hello everyone, friends, I am Mr. English Teacher, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to talk to you about how you can improve your fluency when speaking English and the most powerful techniques for this. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel because the things I will talk about are simple, practical, and the best part is things you can do on your own. Without needing any partner in a park, like many people learning English, you too will be able to advance and improve your speaking. Maybe until now you thought you needed a native English speaker to speak English fluently, or you thought you needed an English teacher. But thinking this way is not always correct. Real fluency is first built in the mind, and then it is trained. We call this the 3-2-1 technique. Some people also call it the 5-3-2 technique. When we look at it without paying attention to the numbers, the ideas are the same. The logic of this technique is to advance English based on repetition, but without being boring. Let me explain this slowly and simply. First, you will choose a simple topic you want to talk about. Remember here, the topic doesn't need to be long or difficult. For example, you can choose one of the simple topics, like what you did yesterday. What is your favourite place? Why you want to learn English? What you like to do when you wake up in the morning? Or you can listen to a podcast related to this topic. After that, you can read something, a page related to this topic. Now you will talk about the same topic 3 times. For example, let's say you read a page, then you will talk 3 times about the page you read and about that topic. But each time the duration you speak will gradually decrease. Friends, this is very important because, for example, the first time you will speak for 3 minutes, and 3 minutes is quite a long time, because our brain gives itself time to think, to search for words and to make mistakes, to search for ideas, and this is not a problem. Our brain freely, slowly, from time to time pausing, prepares itself to speak. And at this point, when you make a mistake, don't try to correct the mistake, just keep speaking. The secret of the work is coming now. Listen carefully here. After 3 minutes are over, you will stop a little and take a breath. Then you will start speaking again about the same topic, but this time you will have 2 minutes. Our topic will be the same, our story will be the same, our ideas will be the same. The only thing that will change will be time, and our time will be 2 minutes in total. When we do it this way, when our brain realizes that our time is short, it will want to produce the best version of the topic we want to tell in the shortest way, in the simplest way, and without pausing. And as a result of this, you will speak English fluently and quickly. Yes, get ready. Now the final round and the hardest round is coming. Now we will have 1 minute. Our topic is the same, but the only thing that changes is time. Just like we did in the previous round, we will talk about the same topic, the same story, but we will aim to say this in the simplest and fastest way. And in this way, our brain will present itself in the most efficient state, in the fastest state, and in the most fluent state. Yes, we have now explained what this technique is and how it works. You can also do this technique not as 3-2-1, but as 5-3-2. The only thing that changes here is the length of the total time you will speak. If it seems difficult for you at the beginning, you can keep the time short, but as you and your English progress over time, you can increase its duration even more. This is completely up to you. Yes, friends, the importance of the technique you have learned in this video is this. Every time our brain repeats something it has learned, it says to itself, I already know this. That's why every time we repeat, after a while, this practice will have gained us our fluency. As a result of this, feelings like anxiety, fear, or nervousness will also disappear over time. So why do we need to do the same practice continuously? because our brain always wants to be its best version when it comes to conveying the information it has learned to the other person. For example, while conveying a topic in a plain way today, it can convey the same topic to the other side with a better version the next day. And as long as it does this continuously, the human brain feels comfortable, and this also makes our speaking English comfortable. That's why if you also do this technique every day, after a period of time like a few months, there can be visible progress in your English level. Yes, friends, we have come to the end of another video. Before finishing the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to watch the continuation of the series, you can check out the playlist on my channel. Take care of yourself until we meet in the next video.